Hello everyone. So today we have one question on binomial distribution. So in this question, a paint company went for mass production for color before Diwali festival. 5 packets of paints, one of each shade, were packed in each of the boxes, which were to be sold as a unit item to the customer. Due to shortage of time, quality were compromised, and it was estimated that 20% of the packets were defective. If a customer purchases such a box of packets of paints, what is the probability that the box will have no defective packet? So first we will see why we are doing this question using binomial distribution. So there is one probability, this 20% probability, this is probability of defect. So this P equals to probability of defect, and that is 20%, or we can say this as 0.20 probability of defect. And if the probability of defect is 0.2, so the probability of not defect is 1, Q equals to 1 minus P, because P plus Q is equal to 1. So Q equals to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.2, so this becomes 0.8. This is the probability of not defect. So this is probability of defect, this is not defect, and this is 20%, this is 80%. So both the probabilities 20%, 80% are considerable, right? So we will apply binomial distribution because we can consider both the probability in this case. So now there is a box. In this box there are 5 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets are there, and probability of defective is 20%, right? So if a customer purchases such a box, this box of paints, what is the probability that the box will have no defective packet? So no defective packet means R equals to 0. R is number of defects, 0 defect, 1 defect, 2 defect. So in this case there is no defect, that's why we are writing R equals to 0. Now we will see formula for probability of binomial distribution. So formula for probability in binomial distribution is PR equals to NCR Q raised to the power n minus R and P raised to the power R. So first we will see what is n, what is R, what is n minus R, P, Q and R. So P is probability of success. So this question is based on defect. So that's why P equals to 0.2. And with this calculation, Q equals to 0.8. So Q and P are clear. Now this is the case of no defect. No defect means 0 defect. No defect means 0 defect. So R equals to 0. If this is the case of 1 defect, so we will take R equals to 1. But in this case, no defect. So R equals to 0. So R equals to 0. Now what is N? So in this packet, there are in this box there are 5 packets. So n equals to 5. So to find probability for R equals to 0, this means probability of no defect. N is what? N is 5 packets. C, R equals to 0 defect. Out of 5 packets, no defective packet. And Q equals to 0.8 for this case. And this is n minus R, so this is 5 minus 0, that is 5 minus 0, and P equals to 0.2, and this raised to the power 0 because R equals to 0. And this 5C0 is factorial 5 divided by factorial 0 and factorial 5 minus 0, and this 0.8 raised to the power 5, and this 0.2 raised to the power 0 means 1. So on solving this, this is factorial 0, 1, this is factorial 5 to factorial 5, that is 1. So your answer is 0.1 into 0.8 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 1. So 0.8 raised to the power 5 is 0.8 32768. So this is the probability of getting no defective packet in this box. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.